In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image carousel in Squarespace in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to enhance your website's visual appeal or simply showcase some beautiful photography, an image carousel can be a perfect addition. Let's walk through these steps together, making sure your site stands out with an eye-catching display of images. First, let's begin by logging into your Squarespace account. Click on the login option, as this will take us into the back end of your website where all the magic happens. For convenience, if you have a Google account linked to Squarespace, choose the Continue with Google option. This is a quick way to access your site without having to remember another password. Once you've logged in, you'll see a list of your websites. Go ahead and click on the website where you want to add the image carousel. This will take you directly to your site's configuration page. Now direct your attention to the upper part of your dashboard and find the Edit option. Clicking this allows you to enter the editing mode for your website's pages and sections. Inside the editing interface, look for the Add Section button. When you click on it, various section options will pop up for you to choose from. Since our focus today is on images, find and click the Images option. This will help us narrow down the type of content we're adding. Next, you'll want to select Gallery View. This opens up settings specifically tailored for image presentations, which are essential for creating an impactful carousel. From there, click on Edit Section. This is where you can start customizing the layout and design of your image gallery. A menu with various layout options should appear now. First, navigate to Grid Simple and check what it offers. However, for our carousel effect, continue by selecting Slideshow Reel. This setting will transform your static images into a dynamic moving carousel, catching the eye of any visitor who lands on your page. Finally, adjust the carousel dimensions to your liking. A good starting point is to click on Inset under the Width option. This operation ensures your carousel fits comfortably within your web page, avoiding any awkward overlaps or spaces. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've added a stunning image carousel to your Squarespace site. Remember, you can always revisit the settings to tweak the visuals further and align them with your overall site design. Keep experimenting with different styles and formats until you find what works best for your content. Thanks for following along. Your website visuals are now ready to captivate your audience.